we're ready for social media check-in. Let's do it. All right, as always, our first questions come from our VIP Facebook fan page. You want to get your social media check-in questions answered first and guaranteed, leave your questions on our Facebook VIP Brad Show Live page. Mio New asks a question. The I-130 applied concurrently with the I-485. The petitioner is a permanent resident. One child together born after petitioning. How do we tell USCIS about it? How does telling them about our child make any difference in our case? You don't have to tell them right now, but when you show up to your interview, you bring the birth certificate, and having a child born in the marriage is very good evidence of it's a real marriage. And that's what you need to prove. It's a bona fide marriage to get a green card. Linda Allison highly favored James with a question. My mom is here visiting and a U.S. citizen. Can I file for her now? She's going back home to complete the process. She's been here since March and will go back in May. Does the 90-day rule apply if she's not staying? You can file an I-130 for her now and she can go home, absolutely. The 90-day rule only applies if she's filing for her adjustment of status here. So file for her now and then let her go home in May. Jean Carlos Rosario. I was convicted of an aggravated assault in the 3rd degree. I'm a legal permanent resident of the United States. It's my only criminal record. Can I apply for citizenship? What are my options? It depends on when the assault was and what your sentence was. For example, if you were sentenced to more than a year in jail, you're an aggravated felon. You're never going to become a citizen. So I need to know a lot more information. I also need to know when it happened, because you need to prove 5 years good moral character. Sandeep Singh. If you remarry after VAWA I-360 is approved, but your I-485 is still pending, will it affect the green card? No. You can remarry after the VAWA is approved, but you haven't filed your adjustment yet, or the adjustment hasn't been fully approved yet. So you can get married, but you can't get married until the I-360 is approved. Lawrence and Deeb. What are the many advantages of being a green card holder and being a U.S. citizen? The difference between being a green card holder and being a United States citizen, the main advantage, two main advantages. One, you can vote. So you have a right to have representation. And two, you have the right to live anywhere in the world that a U.S. passport can take you to and still be able to return to the United States. As a green card holder, every time you leave, you get inspected when you return to the United States, and you may be found inadmissible, either because of criminal records or because you stayed out of the country for too long. And Leona Brown with the last VIP question. Do I need passport photos for my kids' I-130 outside of the U.S.? And the answer is no, you do not. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.